Previously on Gerald.
Oh, hey, buddy.
What's up, buddy?
Today, we're going to start off by doing what I love most about modeling.
What's that?
Well, taking a perfectly good model and just chopping it up.
Oh, yeah.
I may be wrong.
True.
But I think you're cutting way too much plastic off of this kit. After a while, it's just going to be a pile of junk. You know what I'm saying?
First of all, it's a rat rod.
Okay, rat rod. And this is a mock-up of what it should look like.
If I'm not
Once
mistaken,
I get everything put together. I mean,
secret?
this ain't everything, of course. It's going to have a lot more stuff added to it. This is just a basic shape.
You think you should be showing all this?
Yeah, you're right, huh?
Yeah.
Hey guys, this video is going to be about the rat rod that I started making 5 years ago. Never completed it, and I finally completed it earlier this year, and here it is. There's still a few things that I want to do to it, but for the most part it's done. It started out as this kit right here. I mean, the only thing that I used from that kit still is the some of the roof, some of the door frame, and the firewall part. But everything else is custom. So I guess that Speedwagon was just like a kit to bash. But I had some other doors on here originally. They were balsa wood, and over the years they got weak, so I replaced them with newer doors made out of popsicle sticks. So it's still a true woody. Suicide doors. I bought the wheels online. They came in a set with the tires and the brakes, and the whole suspension and everything is custom made, mostly brass. And I got the steering wheel all linked up and everything, so you move the wheels, the steering wheel move. This is like a fidget rat rod, like, you could twist things, turn things, open things. I like that. Made the tailgate to open up, but it's really no point because there's nothing in there, but it opens. Yeah, from the first video you saw, I guess it was the first video, I don't know, but I made that bed from scratch, and I bought the headlight housing, the aluminum headlight housing. I bought those online. Then I put the micro LEDs in it, and I custom made the tail lights. And I even got, on the left side, I got the license plate light, the white light up under it. And on the inside, I bought the gauges online. Well, I bought the clear gauge sheet. Then I made the gauge to light. I made the instrument panel light up. Custom made the dash. Custom made the steering wheel. Made all that junk in the back. Let's see. And underneath, that whole frame is brass. I custom made the whole frame. Runs off that little button battery. 3-volt. I got Buddy and What's His Face etched in the front right there. Use the micro nuts and bolts to attach everything. But yeah, I bought that radiator housing and the photo etch grill. That was online. That was a set. I bought the motor online. I got the seats. Online. They were a bomber seat kit. And yeah, I got the mirror. The mirror was it was a sheet of mirror, adhesive backed mirror. I just hole punched it and threw it on there. But yeah, this car took so long to finish. Gotta simulate it airbag suspension in the rear, and that barrel in the back. I made that barrel on one of my videos a long time ago. I just figured I'd use it for this. I threw that switch in there. I wanted the oversized switch, you know, because it's a rat rod. You know, I wanted to look mechanical, you know. So, and there go that license plate light I was talking about. I got a license plate, but I didn't put it on yet. I actually keep forgetting to put it on, but there go the bracket where it goes and everything, and yeah. And another funny thing, the barn that I show in the beginning and the end of my videos, I actually made that barn to put this car in because I want it to be like a barn find. But I started out making the front of the barn, and then I was like, I might as well make it bigger so that I could store the models in it. And so now it's like so humongous I don't have a place to put it, which is another problem I didn't think about before I started building it. And I don't have any video of me building this car or the barn because at the time I wasn't thinking about putting it on YouTube, but I do got still shots of the building process of the barn. I had still shots of this car, you know, in different stages, but I don't know what happened to them. I think they might be on a memory card somewhere. But here we go, and this is the rat rod. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe. See y'all next time.